Here are the items you're going to need. Some sort of lace or fabric, Mod Podge Ultra, the matte spray, and balloons. Here I am trying to place the lace on the balloon. Just trying to figure out how I want to arrange the lace. Then I'm using regular Mod Podge to cover the balloon. I'm using quite a bit of it. Once I have a good layer of Mod Podge on the balloon, I'm going to place my lace. On top of it, and I'm just going to move it around. I kind of want some of the wrinkles and cut the extra lace off. I'm gonna go ahead and add another layer of Mod Podge just to make sure I am fully covering every wrinkle and every inch of that lace. So I'm using a jar to hold the balloon, which I found very helpful, and just making sure I cover the edges with Mod Podge. As you can see, it's kind of hard, but I'm going to go ahead and use the Mod Podge Ultra Spray On just to give it an extra layer to make sure that it's hard and it's hardened for the project that I'm working on. This is a new bottle, so make sure you shake well to get that spray going. That's it. This is the reveal. I am going to cut the balloon and slowly peel off the balloon to get that candle holder. I absolutely love how it looks. I am going to clean it up and just clean up some of those edges and maybe add more Mod Podge on the spots that are blank. But overall, I really like it. Hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more. Give it a thumbs up.